Police observed a navy blue Kia traveling with expert license plate. The officer activated his emergency lights and sirens. While exiting his marked patrol vehicle, he observed the driver reaching down toward his feet.
Yo, your registration.
It's expired?
Yeah, October. Your birthday in October?
Yeah, but I forgot.
That's why I'm saying. I'm looking at it, I'm like, this shit can't be real.
So
Well, yeah, just the license, the registration, and whatever insurance you got.
You got a little glitter right here.
Huh? Yeah, it's from the 801 Queens. You guys doing all right?
Is anything open on the bar right now, like Rick's or anything like that?
Yeah, Rick's open. I don't know. I ain't really been down there. I know Rick's open. Tiki House should be. Tats and Scars.
Virginia was Thursday too, right? Yeah, but this is definitely, they're open every fucking day. No, but on Thursdays they do their Spanish night. Their Spanish night. So maybe we should definitely. I'm not going over there now.
Yeah, we gotta think about this.
Just keep looking for it, all right? When you bring it up, you can.
Driver wrong?
Yeah, we just came from the tree by the school. I took pictures.
Tree by the school.
Oh, Bayview?
Yeah, we were just
Mark, gotcha.
and then we decided to drive down here and just see what was open for
Does
food.
he got insurance? Because it's showing no insurance on
He's
it.
looking for it right now. He's got his app pulled up. Alright. Hey, go ahead and step out for me, driver. And we're gonna walk over here. You can step out too, miss.
My bag, do I leave it?
No, you can leave it.
We're gonna walk over there to where that tree is. Where my light shine. Leave all your stuff in the car.
Yeah, just go over there.
You know what, from my right?
Okay. Step out, please.
Okay, for the good.
You're good, just leave it. You'll be all right. All right. Just, I don't know what you're ritual for. Just leave that. Leave it. And go walk over there.
We're all getting out. You can leave your stuff in the car.
Well, can you just give me a second because I just have surgery on my tonsils?
Okay. You can leave all your stuff in the car. You can leave your bag in the car.
Yeah, but can I just grab my bag?
You can leave your bag in the car.
Okay. Well, I can't really get out because I just had
You can step out.
Yeah, but I just took medication, so I'm like woozy.
I hear you. We'll be here to help you.
Yeah, I got it.
Can you step out, please?
Alright. Can you just back up for a second and give me?
No, you're okay.
Sorry. Hi. Give me a second.
All right, come on. You're prolonging this. Come on.
Just give me a second.
Step out the
You
car,
can step
please.
out.
Everyone got out easy but you. And we're going to take you out.
Please get out of the car.
I was just trying to explain to
Okay,
him.
you want to get out or we're going to pull you out?
No, I'm gonna get out.
Okay. Do you need
Can you
do you need
explain to me what's going on?
Get
I'm
out.
not put you in cuffs.
Get out.
I'm not playing this game. Everybody got out but you.
Okay, well, it's just he's too close to me.
You can get
please,
out.
Okay.
Okay. Get out.
Please.
What are you hiding?
It's just my phone. It's just my phone.
Go.
Well, you play around games.
Because I
can go
took
up there.
medicine. I had my
Let's
wisdom
go.
teeth taken out, so I took
Okay.
medicine. So I'm a little woozy.
No, you're not. You're walking perfectly fine. What's in that car that you don't want us to see?
Nothing. I don't have anything. I'm just nervous with police, that's it. I'm lucky freaking out, but I'm...
Why are you freaking out?
If you're not doing nothing wrong, what are you freaking out for?
Because I've just had bad experience with police.
Okay.
Listen, you weren't freaked out the other day when you had all our guns drawn at Taco Bell. So why are you freaked out now?
Well, that was... I
wasn't.
wasn't... Yeah, that's because I know the guy, and you guys came a little crazy to him, that's all.
Okay, but you see, you weren't scared then. But now you're scared. It makes no sense.
It's just because, if you guys were to test me right now, I have narcotics inside of me because I just had my wisdom teeth removed yesterday, and so yes, it's prescribed, but I've never taken medication like this. Ibuprofen. No, it's ibuprofen 800, and then they gave me amoxicillin, and then, babe, what's the other medicine they gave me? Hydrocodone, ibuprofen. And so I took all of them before I left because I was in pain.
Right, but it's okay if you took it, but yeah, I mean. Let's get one of those out too. She got a dental schedule, so she got some prescription. Oh, young dentist. Weed pipe.
I'll ring yours when I'm done with that. I'm there.
When y'all pulled up on me that the other day at Fosto's and when I had the Quintana, he said that that he was getting a map for the back passenger. Oh, yeah. That we're gonna find the money. Nothing. Stop it. Bro, oh, we got a single zero. What? Yep.
Oh, that's what she was.
Not too. We got a single zero in the car.
I'm still here. Unbelievable. Copy. Going back to 1.
It's a friendly question. We don't have to be friendly if you don't want to.
What's up?
No, I just asked him how long they've been together.
We've been in a double relationship. Just a little bit.
In a double relationship? I don't know what that
Poly relationship.
Poly.
That means they're all dating, right?
We're both married. We're married.
All 3 of you guys are married.
No, me and her are married.
You guys are married.
Legally married.
Also dating him.
Yeah, I'm dating.
Yeah, we have to go to Utah, I think, so we got all get married.
That law is not possible. I told you that. You can't
It's
marry
coming.
multiple people.
Are you guys Mormon?
Mormon? No. What is that?
It's a religion where they believe in 12 marriages.
I'm gonna be a Muslim one day.
Yep, that's what she.
How many people do we have?
3.
We're in the car, 3.
All 3 of them, yeah. All right. Detain all three. Especially you. You don't want to get out. You're reaching all in the car. Gun on you between your legs.
I was reaching for my phone. He saw me with the phone. Wait. I'm not doing anything. Can we go for a second? What is going on?
Alright.
I'm not gonna run.
I'm gonna have you come down here and sit on the curb, right?
Can I?
But you see why? I'm not yelling at you, but you keep telling us you're not getting out, you're scared to get out, and you go reaching down.
I'm just uneasy right now because
it's
of
not
the medication I'm on.
Right,
I
but
told
you got
that when
you're sitting,
in the car.
but understand, you're sitting underneath a gun.
I didn't know that though.
You didn't know that?
No, I swear I didn't know that.
That's fine.
It's probably, you know.
Yeah, that's fine.
I did not have a gun.
I didn't even know.
Damn, that's wild. Refusing to get out of the car.
Huh?
Refusing to get out of the car.
I didn't refuse to.
Around between the seats and stuff.
I wasn't.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I mean, you can't tell me what I did if you weren't, you know. You
If
didn't
I
see
wasn't
it.
right there
Yeah,
watching
but
you.
you didn't see anything, so.
What's your name?
My name? Officer Vanderhoof.
How you say that?
Officer Vanderhoof.
Vanderhoof.
She got it.
Captain, just please don't talk right now.
The wife got it.
Can I at least make a phone call, please?
No.
When am I able to do that?
I don't know. Either when we're done or if we go to jail, you get one at the jail.
But aren't we allowed to like make a phone call right now?
No.
You just answer the question.
No, because I'm.
Not while you're detained, no.
I think it's weed. A little white on it. You know, we're just scratching the surface and then she's coming out. Coming out with a fucking gun, this, and
Yeah. She's just unsteady right now.
right. 'Cause I'm just curious as to what else. Again, cuffs can always come off. Not a big deal. You know, it's gonna be the who owns the gun.
Yeah. It's stolen.
But yeah.
I don't like it.
John Bravo, on 93 stop. Copy.
Cell phones.
Whoa, look at that. That was a good one.
Off this?
Right there.
Oh, that is very blue.
Yeah.
I'll rub whatever you want. It's a boy.
A lot of cash in there. Nah. Stripper money.
Stripper money.
Stripper money, huh? Yeah, boy.
You're a stripper?
Nah, I love strippers.
You love strippers.
Yeah.
But you got two girlfriends.
So what?
How much does one man need?
Same thing.
How much can you handle? He's insatiable. How much can you handle?
Not as much as you, I guess. You're a lot better than me.
Can I have that? I ain't gonna hurt nobody.
You wear these a lot?
Yeah,
I can tell.
love them. Not the socks, the brand new.
The socks are brand new.
Yes.
What's that tattoo say? Beautiful disaster?
Yep.
Did that hurt on your foot?
Had to.
Actually,
Yeah.
it did. And day when we used to smoke K2, like when Spice was around, I was like 15 years old.
Smoking at 15.
I know K2, right? It's crazy.
Did it hurt more than your face?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't hurt the most though.
Really?
Yeah, and the one that I got in between my legs.
Oh, yeah. I would think that your legs would hurt.
All right. Just quick question. Are you registered as a convicted felon in the county?
Yeah.
All right. So you're gonna come with me. Possession of a firearm, with convicted felon, and then you're going for resisting.
When did I resist?
When we told you
Get out
5
the car.
times to get out the car, and
But
you
I still
refused.
got up on my own. You guys did
Nah,
not
it doesn't
take
work
me.
that way though.
Cállate la boca.
Yeah, what you want? Okay, wallet, phone. What else you want?
There's another pair of keys.
In the car? No.
Y'all told my car, right?
Yeah.
There should be another pair of keys, like house keys with the car keys.
All right. All right, I'll go look for them. Those are all your phones?
All 3 of them?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What?
No, I'm just curious.
2 work. 2 of them work, and the other one doesn't. It's just for like pictures, memories, Snapchat,
No problem with me.
OnlyFans, whatever you want to know.
Yeah, no problem with me.
Okay.
All right, so you're gonna be released. So just stand up. We're gonna take you out of cuffs. You can put your boots back on and all that. We will be notifying your probation officer.
Yes.
Either me or one of the sergeants or whoever. Huh? So I would notify them.
Right away.
Yeah, notify them now. Give them a voicemail or something.
I didn't know
Yeah, I mean,
what the fuck was on the car.
Yeah, nobody knew, so we can't do nothing about that. All right.
But would I get in trouble being around? Bueno, suave, pero cógelo.
Whose cup? These are yours?
I got mine are on the. Yeah, these are mine.
No, they're mine. I can keep them.